How to turn off page post likes notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page post likes notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, with Facebook Lite, here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click pages and select your page, and now just click this settings icon in the top corner, and then click select notifications, and then click on Facebook, and here you will find it. Just click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.